A New Jersey football fan who is also an attorney is suing the NFL because he says he paid way too much for Super Bowl tickets in New Jersey.
All right, he claims the NFL has made just 1% of seats available to the general public at face value, leading to sky-high prices on the secondary markets. So does he have a case?
Well, Fox News senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano is with us to explain.
You know, the state of New Jersey has a very unique law. You'd be interested in this. I don't know if any other state has this, Brian. When you have a public event, a concert, an athletic contest, you have to distribute 95% of the tickets to the public. Now, the NFL has distributed, you ready for this, 1% of the tickets to the public, according to this complaint. If you ask the NFL what is happening, they're saying, okay, we're holding on to the tickets until we find out who the two teams are. And then we're going to give 20% of the tickets to the AFC team, and they'll distribute it to their fans, and 20% of the tickets to the NFC team, and they'll distribute it to their fans. But by the time it goes through 2 or 3 levels like that, what happens to the price? Up
Jacked up.
and up and up. Yesterday, I was looking at prices. The highest price I saw for a ticket. Now, this is not the face value. This is not what's printed on the ticket, but this is what it will cost you to get it because of this various levels of distribution. $100,000 a pop.
Do you think
Oh, my goodness.
that's crazy? Do you think the NFL saw this coming because this first time they've had the Super Bowl in New Jersey, and New Jersey has this unique law regarding, what do they call it, the Consumer Fraud Act?
Honestly, I don't know if the NFL was aware of this law. Look, the Jets and the Giants.
4 years ago.
Right, the
Because
Jets
they named
and
this years ago.
Right, the Jets and the Giants play in New Jersey. Other teams play in New Jersey. I don't know that this issue has ever.
I don't know
come
that
up
people are dying to
before.
get Jets tickets.
Well, okay, but the
would have
Giants
to
tickets are
comply.
probably
Sorry,
sold
Joel.
out, so it's not an issue of distributing them. You can't distribute what doesn't exist.
So what it does, what is real is the average person can't afford to go to the Super Bowl.
Correct.
So that's why people care about this case. And is there any merit to it?
Yes, there is merit to this case. However, these people in this case have asked for a jury trial. You have to get online to get a jury trial in New Jersey. The line is from 18 months to 3 years long. The Super Bowl's in 4 weeks. So if they really want to resolve this, they should ask for an injunction, instant, immediate relief from the court. Let's face it, if the court is going to affect tickets to the Super Bowl, you can't do it after the game.
No.
And you can't do it the day of the game. You got to do it a few weeks in advance of the game. That would be now.
Oh, my. And you would assume that the NFL would have to comply with the law, right?
Oh, yes. Yes. Listen, I sat in the courthouse a couple of miles from that stadium where this will ultimately be resolved. Of course they'll have to comply.
Or they would perhaps have to just give that guy a bunch of money.
That might be how it will end up. It would be
In a
better,
settlement?
and I know Kilmeade agrees with me, if it ended up with lower ticket prices so more people could go.
It would be great. But
Who could afford $100,000 a seat?
How about this? You're going to be cold, and that makes those boxes even more desirable.
Yes.
That's the luxury boxes up top.
Yes, and if you go to the Super Bowl, do not drive on the George Washington Bridge. I couldn't resist. Only kidding. That bridge problem is history.
We're closing your lane.
They were doing a traffic study, Judge. What's the problem?
All right, Judge, thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Pleasure, guys.
All right.